Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The excise duty on petrol and diesel will be reduced by Rs 5 and Rs 10 respectively. The government has announced it on the eve of Diwali, aiming to provide relief to the people reeling under the impact of spiraling fuel prices. Thus, the prices of petrol and diesel will come down accordingly. The reduction in excise duty on diesel will be double that of petrol and will come as a boost to the farmers during the upcoming Rabi season, the government said in an official statement. States have been urged by the centre to reduce value-added tax on both the fuels to give relief to consumers. The move has come when the opposition has been regularly attacking the government on rising fuel prices. On November 1st, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had tweeted while referring to petrol and diesel rates that one should be aware of pickpockets. Citing a news report along with his tweet, Mr. Gandhi had said that petrol prices in some states have crossed Rs 120 a litre and centre had collected Rs 2.3 lakh crores in 2018-19 and 2.58 lakh crore rupees in 2017-18 by way of fuel taxes. Well, is this really a Diwali gift by the government or just another move to woo the public? Meanwhile, the reduction in excise duty on fuel prices has been announced at a time when petrol and diesel prices have been touching all-time high across the country, crossing Rs 100 mark in all the major cities of the country, including the 4 metro cities. The relief in itself by this reduction will only be a marginal one, as excise duty on petrol has been reduced only by Rs 5 per litre. Even if excise duty is cut by Rs 5, then petrol price will come down only to Rs 105.69 per litre in the national capital New Delhi, which is still at a high and way beyond the Rs 100 mark. The decision is being seen as a Diwali SOP to the burdened consumers, though earlier this week price of LPG cylinders had been hiked by oil marketing companies by Rs 266, adding to the burden of the common man. Meanwhile, the government further said that reduction in excise duty on petrol and diesel will also boost consumption and keep inflation low, thus helping the poor and middle classes. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.